Okay, we are going to start opening the presents. If we do many minutes, then you need to stop it because you won't. I will be quick, I promise. Okay, this is. Need some help? People put so much sticky thing. Okay. Ooh. Beyonce. Hold on. Oh my goodness. She has shares in the sellotape industry.
Oh, it's the perfume.
Shake it boom. Okay, Beyonce perfume. Thank you, Vanessa. This is my friend Annalise. Let me see. She as well went mental because embassy pays for the sellotape. What the? Oh my God, I don't know what it is, but it's beautiful. Oh my God. What is it? Childproof. Oh, flipping. Oh my God. Oh, look. And it has something in it. I need to put it now. I hope it's not like the bracelet you put it on me yesterday. Hold on a minute. Then, Neil, don't you dare to say later, oh, is that new? It's a present. Thank you, Ada. Okay, stop 1 minute now. Because